The most popular animated feature of all time. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs.
Who now is the fairest one of all?
Snow White. Never before have the pages of Grimm's fairy tales come to life so brilliantly. The sensation that made motion picture history. Here to thrill moviegoers all over again.
Wonderful. Perfect disguise. So beware the strangers.
Don't worry. I'll be all right. All right. But that's the last. Just whistle while you work, and cheerfully together we can tidy up the place.
All alone, my pet. One bite, and all your dreams will come true.